Okay, so I'm going to do a little wrap up here of how my Wonderboy project worked out and how I finally got all the hardware onto the helmet that you see here in front of me. In the last video I showed you all the different parts of the hardware and how they worked and gave you a brief demonstration, but this will give you a better idea of how the final prototype of the Wonderboy worked out. So this is the helmet right in front of me here. It's a standard youth size batting helmet. I chose youth because it was less expensive than the adult size. That's pretty much the reason behind that. Back here is where I have most of the hardware. You can see the Arduino is there underneath the wave shield, and my SD card that's in there that has the audio files. Then these wires that are coming out of the top here, these just go right along the top of the helmet. I just used red electrical tape to kind of hide it so that you can't see it as easily. And that goes all the way to the front here, and at the bill is the motion sensor. So the motion sensor is pointing down, so the idea is when you swing your arms across your body when you're swinging the baseball bat, that will trigger the motion sensor that will play the audio clip of the famous home run call. So also around the back here, over here on the side, we have the jack for the headphones, and the headphones I just wired right underneath. You can see there's a little bit more of the red electrical tape, and then it goes right into the underside here, and I used red and black electrical tape. It's kind of hard to see, which is the idea, but the two earbuds just run right into the ear protectors there, and if you turn the sound all the way up, it is loud enough to hear it even without the earbuds in your ears. So let me set this down here, and I will show you how it works. The cord that's plugged into the computer here is my power source. I had originally hoped to use a battery pack so that it could be completely wireless, but with all the different devices with the Arduino and the wave shield, it was going to be too much battery power for a battery pack, so I decided to just keep it wired anyway. So go ahead and turn it on, hit the reset button, and there you go. You can hear it. The table right there is enough when you move the helmet to trigger the sound. So just right underneath. And there you go. So depending on how far away from the bill of the hat you are, it'll play one of 5 different famous home run calls. So that is the final project prototype of the Wonderboy.